It shouldn't be, it's sort of sprung. Oh, hold on, the fuse is tripped. Let me just try this. Right, let's just see. Are you clear? Right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
It looks fine.
Is it going up there?
Yeah, yes.
What, nothing to say?
Oh my god.
Happy birthday, matey.
I don't know what to say.
Say hello to Arnie. Arnie the Audi.
I don't know what to say.
I'm sorry it's black, but it is a 2011, nearly a 2012, with only 67,000 miles. But there is a slight catch, there's always a catch. He's slightly unwell, he's been injured, but most things have been fixed in your absence. You have no idea how much work Mummy and I put in on this.
Oh my word. What on earth? That is awesome.
Yeah, look at the good side first before you go around the back.
Oh, so this whole... You're an idiot.
You said something was up because the van was out the front.
Oh, that is awesome. Oh, that is awesome. There's no way you've done this.
No, actually no, it's mine. It's my new toy.
Were you in on this?
I don't know a thing.
There's no way you bought me a car.
Sit in,
There's
matey.
no way you bought me a car.
Sit in.
There's no way. There's no way. Oh my word. Oh, it's got Alcantara seats. Where did you put? Oh, you tell me in a minute.
Come on, sit in.
Oh my word.
Madam.
My legs are shaking.
Come and sit in the passenger side. Your chariot awaits. I think
my
is it
God.
on? Okay. All aboard.
Oh my word.
Smells like a new car in here. Oh my god.
That's ridiculous. That is so awesome. It's so nice.
I know, this is so nice. This is so much nicer than this, I couldn't not buy it.
No way.
Pass one of the keys.
I don't even know what to say.
Are you left speechless, little boy?
Just have a little smile.
Could you do?
Oh my god.
Check out the mileage.
That is so cool.
I just can't believe it.
I told you the presents go downhill after 21.
Yeah. This is it.
I'll
This
have
is
it
it
again.
right
Let's
now.
see you.
Yeah, but there's no card.
Yeah.
Let's see you start him up.
Oh,
You can drive out in
Too
the sun
much.
if you want. Just don't crash it.
oh, it's awesome.
You're gonna.
You'll see it better in the sunlight.
It's just awesome.
Oh my god. It's so neat and tidy.
You're gonna start him up.
Yeah, you can drive them out in the sun.
Oh well. Totally.
I just can't believe it.
Yeah, drive out. Crash.
Yeah, oh no, don't crash into the wall. Wakey, wakey! You're not dreaming.
Give me a sulky
Oh my
face.
God.
I can't believe you've done this. That's ridiculous.
I know.
That's too far. That's too far.
All right.
As if you
Take it back.
bought me a car. Oh my word. Right. Come on then.
Right, close the doors, don't want any great paint.